Okay, welcome to this Maya scene. So, it has some cylinders, some cubes, and some spheres. So, you can't see, but this is a pretty messy outline. Okay, if I extend this, you see, this is an empty group. This is another empty group. Oh, this is another empty group. It's another empty group. And the last group, okay, so where's the last group? Mm, oh, okay. If I expand this one, then we have this. Okay, we have this. Then if I expand this group again, then we have this. Some spheres, two cubes, and one cylinder. So we don't want this, so we have to clean this up. Luckily, I have my own Python script. So, so first we have to just unparent everything from the group. Okay, we'll unparent now. So where is this unparent? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let me see. This is create materials. This is assign material. This is group everything. This is group everything. Hmm, what is this? Oh, the child group. And this is delete everything. In the prefix, this is prefix. Oh, okay. Ungroup all and unparent all. So, okay, we have to copy this one. I am copied this. Then we have to run the script. Have to click here on the script editor. Then just copy and paste here. Select all the codes here. Then we have to run it. Okay, we run the script. So as you can see, this is all ungrouped and unparented. Okay, that's good. But one problem left. We have left some empty groups here. So we don't need these empty groups. Okay, so I have another script. Let me go. Yeah, delete all empty group in the same. Okay, we have to import this one. And then this. Oh, god damn. They all gone. And the objects all are here. You see, this is a easy process to clean up our outliner.